As an investor, you got to be extremely careful. You should be relying on professionals, especially in a market like this.
Even professionals proceeded with caution today. Investors stayed out of the water, watching anxiously to see if the Senate could do what the House couldn't, pass a bailout plan that could help save the nation's economy from disaster.
Now is our time to work, not as Democrats, not as Republicans, but as guardians of the public trust to forge a better day ahead. So I'm hopeful that tonight we'll see a strong vote in support of this plan, and that bipartisan shown here in the Senate today will spark the House of Representatives to do the same.
But investors have heard that before, so they played it safe Wednesday. The trading volume was low and the market spent most of the day in negative territory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 20 points at 10,831. The Nasdaq was down 22 at 2,069, and the S&P 500 ended the day down 5 at 1,161.
The Senate is going to be voting on this thing tonight, I believe, after the close, and then I think, it's possible that people may come in feeling a little better, but there's still going to be the nervousness around. It doesn't matter.
Feels as if investors are pulling petals off of daisies, saying it will pass, it won't pass, it will pass, it won't pass. And then even if the bill does pass, then I think now they're starting to question, well, will it really do any good? And if it does do any good, well, then now we have to worry again about recession 101. So it really does seem as if Wall Street is building this wall of worry even higher and higher.
But worried investors now have no choice but to place their hope again in politicians. Now, although the markets will be closed at the time of the vote, you can bet that there's so much riding on this that we'll see the direct repercussions of it first thing Thursday morning. In New York, Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press.